1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Wake Up to Sad podcast.
The daily show continues. This is day
3.
3. And just to let the people who are listening on Spotify know, or if you're watching on YouTube, to help support the pod, please go to
TV/Jim and Sab.
So you can just become a member, join our channel, and that in itself will help
The pod.
and make the pod continue to be free until we can't pay for stuff. Okay?
Do you like this new studio that we have? Very
Inayos pa namin.
magpapa-poll ako actually kung anong I'm gonna put curtains here. What color would you like?
Yeah.
Let's talk about it. Another time Jim is getting annoyed at me. Joke lang.
No.
May product placement. Kita siya. Love it.
Yeah. Thanks,
Okay.
Breville. We have a new coffee stuff.
Coffee stuff.
Sorry. Okay. So, we're gonna
Thanks
start.
also to Clean Canteen. I got my new tumbler.
Dahil napagalitan kami ni Produ yesterday, we're gonna start with the news na talaga. And just to
Okay.
clarify, the reason why we're doing this is because we want to be informed citizens, but at the same time, manage our sanity. And unlike any other news show, kasi in fair naman talaga, like, nakakagago talaga yung the news, basically. And like, imagine all our boomer parents, the reason why they're like, "Uy, mahulog ka.
Prading sila.
Is because every day they'd watch like terrorist, corrupt, whatever. So we're doing this daily show as a public service.
You're welcome.
And I would like to add on the fly ngayon, stress si Produ,
On the fly.
on the fly, na before each news thing, I just want to share a quick yung daily calm ko.
Okay.
Para
That's
lang,
nice.
para ganon, di ba? Para we
Okay.
take the news, pero we'll
Start our day.
start our day right.
Okay.
So, yung daily calm ko today
Mhm.
was having your own meter.
Can you tell them what the daily calm means?
It's my thing.
Okay. That's from the Calm app, right?
Yeah.
So you did a meditation.
So, yung mga bilyonaryong to na nagpupush ng meditation. So, they have this daily thing. Yung the instructor I have is Jeff Warren.
I like Jeff Warren.
So, I'm gonna share na lang his daily thing
Okay.
before 30 seconds
Okay.
before we go into the news.
Okay.
And ang ganda lang yung sinabi niya na whenever you have anxious feelings, bad feelings, stress, try to change the way you see it. See it as, it's like your odometer. It's like your gas meter, your car meter.
Were you gonna say odometer? Odometer? Odometer?
Yeah. Your gas thing.
you know,
It's like saying,
you know nothing about cars,
I don't know
Jon
anything.
Snow. Sorry, I'm rewatching Game of Thrones. Okay. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Ygritte. You know they're expecting another baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anyway.
Okay.
Sorry. All over the place. Okay, what's the daily calm?
The daily calm is
So the gas
Parang-
meter or the mile thing?
whatever.
Mileage thing?
Yung nagsasabi na maubusan ka na ng gas.
Okay.
So, if you change your mindset lang kasi yan, guys.
Mindset.
That's not what it means. That's not what I meant. Now, whenever you get stressed or like, parang, oh shit, you have bad feelings, think of it as your mind is saying, uy, paubos ka ng gas. And then say to yourself, hey, I love you, buddy.
Oh, cute.
So, yun.
Fill her up.
So, as we read itong mga Pogo news,
Sabay-sabay tayo magsabi ng, hey, I love,
Love
you,
you,
buddy.
buddy.
Oh, cute. I like that. I love you, buddy. I love you, body. Oh.
ganda rin yun.
I love you, body.
I love you, body. Like, if you're feeling shitty about your body, maybe that's your mind telling you, "Hoy, tell your
You
body.
gotta give your
touch
body
yourself,
some love.
Touch yourself.
Touch yourself.
Touch yourself.
Touch yourself.
Touch yourself.
Touch yourself.
Yeah.
I mean,
Feel yourself.
feel yourself.
Feed yourself.
Okay.
Touch yourself.
Labo.
Feel yourself and say, "Hey, body, I fucking love you."
Oh. I mean, let's go. Let's effing go.
Okay. So let's go to the news. Okay. So
Okay.
first,
What's our news? Ito. Ay, news pala. Sorry. Okay.
kasi the reason why we're going to the news agad kasi alam namin hindi namin matatapos. Okay. So the first one is apparently through my Twitter doom scrolling, there was a recent discovery of a Pogo owner. That's not it.
Hindi ito.
That's not it.
Ano unahin ko?
This one.
This one.
Yeah. So there was a Pogo mansion that was discovered. Ito. We're gonna play the video.
Okay.
Naka-share yung audio?
I'll share it now. Wait. So it was raided. Ano siya?
May na-raid na guy who owns a Pogo.
Owned by Pogo.
And medyo baliw yung mansion.
Okay.
So it's like a resort.
Underground indoor firing range discovered inside Porac Pogo Resort. Ano yun? Forward ko.
Wow, grabe. Mukhang legit yung SWAT natin.
Social media account on Saturday, July 6. The actual search conducted by members of the Pampanga Police inside an exclusive resort where alleged Chinese bosses of the Philippine offshore gaming operator or Pogo company Lucky South 99 used to
So we're
stay.
looking at it.
The property was located along Daisy Street, Purok 6 in
Grabe,
Barangay
parang may
Senora,
leak.
Porac, Pampanga, around 5 kilometers away from the
Indoor
office
firing
of Lucky
range.
South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated in Barangay Santa Cruz that was raided last month. In the video,
Wait, yung itong raided last month, na parang kasi that place looked familiar to me. Alam ko dyan sila may mga nahanap ng mga naka-hostage eh. Like that guy, I saw that video of the guy na Filipino siya, nakatakas siya, nakakabit siya sa anong tawag doon? Yung headboard ng bed.
Oh my God.
Naka-handcuff siya doon. Tapos he was like on the street shouting for help. Tapos sobrang dami niyang pasa.
Oh my
And then ang
God.
sinabi niya is, kaya daw siya sinaktan dahil he was being forced to scam other people and he didn't want to do it. Sobrang
Ang
grabe. Yeah.
So the
okay.
thing with these Pogos nga, technically, they are parang, it's supposed to be parang a gambling whatever, right? Pero they're being used as they're being used as hubs for crime.
Yeah.
Like human trafficking, ano pa? Nagpapadala ng mga fugitive, you know?
Ano yan?
Yung nahuli.
So,
we're looking at a girl with her hands on the wall. And it really is a resort.
I want to
It's
see
like
the pictures of the resort. Teka, hanapin
I saw
ko.
nga na parang ano eh, parang may laban nga doon sa kay Pablo Escobar na
Yung ranch niya?
Yung pagka bongga ng ranch.
Oh, anyway.
So I saw you can actually kasi sobrang flop nung pagka-explain namin itong Pogo thing. Who better to do it than our guest right now?
We have him live on the podcast.
Live on
Ito.
the Chinese platform.
Nandito na po siya. Ayan. Ayusin niyo po yung mic
siya,
niya.
Sir. Yes, sir. Hi,
Yes.
sir.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
sir.
Thank you for joining us on the podcast.
Yes. It's Attorney Chel Jokno.
Attorney pa, lakas lang po ng microphone niyo. Oo.
Ng underground network. Itong mga Pogo para sa napakaraming illegal na gawain. At kailangan talagang magkaisa ang mga sangay ng gobyerno
Yes po.
para
Opo.
tugisin naman ang mga ito. Gaya na lang ng sitwasyon nitong sa Bambantarlac, di ba? Yung Mayor Alice Guo.
Oo nga po.
Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
Kung sakaling totoo yan, mukhang nagoyo talaga tayo ni Guo.
Your Honor, hindi ko na po.
I love
At hindi lang yun, di ba yung nababalita na ang dami mga hindi naman Pilipino, pero may hawak na Philippine passport. Kailangan natin papanagutin ang mga nasa likod ng mga kapalpakang ito.
Totoo.
Kakuntsaba kaya? Sila ba'y nabayaran kaya? Ito po ay mga seryosong tanong lang. Dahil hindi po ito joke, no?
Hindi to joke, no? Gets? Chel joke, no?
I love Attorney Chel. I think we should get him on the pod.
Let's get him again on the podcast.
Yeah.
See, totoo eh. Kasi, okay, may mga hindi Pilipino na may Philippine passport. So, may mga Pinoy na tumulong sa kanila.
Yeah.
Alam mong, how could you do that?
Yeah.
Sad.
So, question.
Hindi
This
ito
medyo
joke.
mababaw to, pero saan ba ano yung origin ng yung sound effect?
Hindi ko alam.
In all the AM radios.
You know what? That's a good question.
No?
Let's get to the...
Playbackers?
We're gonna
Baka
do
may
research
mga,
on that.
Quick playback break. For the next daily pods, if you're listening to this on Spotify and you want to be a live caller, you can come in at 9:55 a.m. Join us earlier.
Yes.
And then you can let us know. And then you
Yeah.
can become a live caller. So actually, to the playbackers today, if anyone wants to make a call today, go for it. Hindi ko lang
Yes.
alam paano gawin.
Let's go. Let's
Okay,
go.
next news.
Gusto ko panoorin to.
Sige.
Can I watch
Okay,
this?
okay.
Our
muse.
Our muse on the podcast, Miss Janina San Miguel. Nag-trending ulit siya kasi nagbinibining Pilipinas nung isang gabi. Wait, sorry. Wait, ayan na. Okay.
Pilipinas World 2008. Miss Janina San Miguel. Good evening, ladies.
Well, I'm proud to say that during
Ay.
I won best in swimsuit and best in long gown.
Okay.
So who would be the next?
Love.
Wow, congratulations, Janina.
Janina, how are you?
I'm fine.
All right, so you won 2 of the major awards, Best in Long Gown, Best in Swimsuit. Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
All
Love.
right, please.
And who could forget
How
Janina
many
San
years
Miguel.
ago?
That was a long time ago. I loved that. My favorite part of that is the the nervous laughter. I don't feel any pressure right now.
Wait, so what's going on ba now? Bakit parang
I
ito?
feel
Just
super
can you
same.
explain this to me? Kasi Sam always asks me this. Parang ano ba, quarterfinals na ba? Finals or whatever. And for me, it's always easy. Like it's the semifinals.
Hindi ko gets.
Kunwari,
Kasi, okay.
NBA.
Yung NBA, hindi ko gets. Parang lagi na lang may finals. Parang
Pero
every month may finals. Tapos hindi, finals ng West. Ay, hindi, semifinals. Ay, playoffs na. What
and like I say to Sam all the time, there's East, there's West. They have separate quarterfinals, semifinals, and then conference finals, and then yung winner ng West, mamimit yung winner.
I'm not listening to this.
Can you explain
No,
naman?
I get it. Para siyang bracket. Oh,
Yeah,
gets ko naman yun.
Pa-explain nga nitong
You Miss
yung
Universe.
bakit parang
Honestly,
parang every week may ganyan.
totoo. Hindi ko na po alam. Charot.
Oh.
Binibining Pilipinas yung nagde-determine kung sino yung mga papadala nila sa iba-ibang competition.
Mhm.
Hindi ka nakikinig, no?
Sorry.
Binibining Pilipinas yung magde-determine. Pero, nagkaroon ng faction recently, parang I don't know, years ago, na nagkaroon ng Miss Universe Philippines na sineparate na nila. So dati, binibining Pilipinas, magka-crown sila ng ipapadala sa Miss Universe, ipapadala sa Miss World, ipapadala sa Miss ganyan, Miss ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi there are different competitions, right?
Ano yung main? Ano yung NBA?
Miss Universe.
Miss Universe.
Miss Universe.
Ano yung Miss World? Parang
WNBA.
okay.
I mean, like, yeah.
It's another league.
I don't know. So please don't hate me, pageant lovers. I'm just like a casual, I actually, when I was younger, I would watch it. And then, ano na nga, parang medyo, ewan ko.
Sa Drag Race, sabi.
No,
ano yung,
Drag
sino
Race.
yung NBA? RuPaul.
Siyempre.
Tapos, may mga PBA, like RuPaul Philippines, diba ganon?
Yes. Drag Race Philippines. Yes.
Yeah, so yun na. In terms of drag, the main stage that all...
RuPaul's Drag Race. Pero ang mahirap kay RuPaul's Drag Race ngayon is there's All Stars, there's Season 16, there's yung mga... Pero, I mean, the more the merrier.
So it's pero the so hindi siya yung parang Miss Universe, correct?
Yeah.
Oo.
Hmm.
Sino yung ano? Sino yung sino yung LeBron or Jordan ng
Janina San Miguel.
ng drag?
Ng drag. RuPaul.
Siya yung Jordan.
Siya yung Jordan.
GOAT.
Yes.
Siya yung GOAT.
Well, I mean, there's a lot. It's very nuanced, but
ganun na naman ang NBA. I mean, everyone has their own GOAT.
But yeah, I mean, people, not everybody, but you can't please everybody. Pero
I know. Pero
respected siya because siya yung naglagay sa...
Parang, syempre, usually naman yung pioneer doesn't have to be the most talented one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but,
yes.
But the one that
pioneer,
actually
definitely
changed the industry, the landscape.
Yeah.
So, another question pala with ano, sana si Tyra Banks?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko na po alam, Your Honor. Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
Nasa yung alam mo yung favorite ko, yung sa Showtime.
Alin?
Yung galing nun. Where is she? Is she a star now?
Hindi ko alam.
Di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
That's like I can't believe that person isn't like an Aldab.
Oo nga eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano. I love it.
Okay, Sabi.
Oo.
So since we're in the topic of
basketball, are we? I got lost.
Nakakatawa kasi yung si Purdue, ang dami niya mga links, details. Pagdating dun sa the news about basketball, Gilas Pilipinas, deep dive.
Ayaw niyang
Ikaw na bahala dito, Jim, ha? Nothing. So, just to let you know, which I don't want to talk about the basketball thing, but what I want to talk about is eyes on me.
Sorry. I was reading the comments. Okay, sorry.
Okay. We'll get there.
Okay.
So, yung sa Gilas. So, you know that.
Can you please talk to me Gilas is a basketball local, is the team for the Olympics?
It's the Philippine team.
Okay. Bakit hindi siya Philippines? Ba't di siya basketball Philippines?
Yung malala nga dyan, it's Smart Gilas.
So it's
yeah, kasi it's weird nga eh. Kasi
parang siya, parang Nike USA, ganun?
Parang ganun.
But it's not.
Hindi nga, at least Nike nga parang kind of represents. It's like saying Amazon USA.
No.
Or let's say it's saying TikTok China. Ganun.
Gilas Pilipinas is the collective name of all the basketball national team. But what do you mean all?
Yeah, so may ano pala. So hindi pala sabi. So it's like the
It's a league?
Hindi. It's the team name. So it's the Philippine
team.
Philippine team for basketball is called Gilas. Yung volleyball is Alas. Yeah. So it's a team name. It's like the Lakers.
So Gilas Pilipinas is basketball. Alas Pilipinas volleyball. Never. Okay.
So anyway, ang point is they had an incredible run, an unprecedented run. They did well. Like they beat Latvia. Latvia.
I don't know, Latvia.
Latvia. Okay.
Is that a country?
Bobo yan. So so anyway, ang point ko, why I wanted to discuss this is number one, the dinosaurs that are handling basketball in this country. Okay, so this is
we should have Nico Ramos.
I know. This is purely a marketing and branding analysis.
Okay.
And this is, pag nakatatlong cocktail na kami ni Ali sa Big Fuzz, ito yung dito kami napupunta.
Yeah.
We complain about this.
Nasasayangan kayo? Ganun ba?
A premium product here in the Philippines is basketball.
Oh, yeah. Right? There's a basketball hoop everywhere.
But the people who are managing this product, it's like saying na naging marketing head ng Crocs si Alice Go. Ganon. Or si Jingoy Estrada, whatever.
Oh.
Na parang ayos yan ah.
Labo.
Parang okay yung croc ah.
Croc. Bakit butas yung sapatos?
Makapal yan ah. Matibay. Sino supplier nito? So,
Crocs nga sila. That's funny.
ganda. So,
Crocs, run by Crocs.
so, the guys handling Philippine basketball, okay, are mga dinosaur. Okay, mga literally yung mga tipong talagang sexist. Sorry. I don't want to.
Misogynist.
Ganong energy.
Yeah.
Very frat energy. So, they're run by these PBA dudes. Na,
it's like a white man but Pinoy.
Na parang
gets mo.
parang tipong like sila parang if you propose to them, let's say if I go to them and say, guys, our demographic is getting way too old. We need to connect with the younger generation. Can we please invest in a branding team and whatever? Sabihin nila, hindi, meron akong pinsan na may pamangkin ako na marunong mag-adobe. Mag-adobo. May pamangkin ako na marunong mag-ano. PowerPoint.
Pinakamasarap na adobo yung sa nanay ko. Labo.
mo, sir, we're gonna use Canva.
Ano Canva?
Mabibili sa National yun.
Meron ako parang paint by numbers dyan na pwede mong bilhin ng by bulk sa Zada. Zada. Sa lab.
So anyway.
Sa Temu. Do you know that new thing?
I heard
like
about that.
Did you know that just 2 days? What?
Yung pala yun. That's what I wanted to ask you.
What?
Na ano ako doon na
scam ka?
Hindi ako na.
What is that? Is that like a Lazada, Shopee?
I don't know, but like I was like
a
running
Zalora?
shoes. Nakita ko running shoes, running shades, and then parang massage cream. Tapos ako, bakit parang lahat ng gusto ko nandito? And then so clinic ko, yun, Temu. So I was like, what the hell is this?
Tapos, i-download mo. Is it an app?
I didn't download it.
I don't get it. Para saan lumabas?
Sa Instagram.
Yung ad.
Ads.
Weird.
So, anyway, I just want to, do you know that and even kaya nga tingnan mo, the young dudes that are helping promote Philippine basketball. Oh, what the freak?
Wait. Did somebody just okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay. We have been infiltrated. Dahil Temu. I'm so sorry. We're gonna call playback to I'm so sorry. That was okay, never mind. Okay, anyway.
Wow.
Anyway, move past it.
We got a good morning dick pic. The fuck?
Anyway. Okay.
Baka si Jon Snow yun.
Labo.
Anyway.
Owner daw ng Temu. Wag natin silang gagalit. Oo.
Okay.
Etong sa'yo. Temu? Temu na?
Dick Gordon. Okay. Sabi.
When you say Temu 3 times, that pic will show up.
So.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Blocked.
Nakakatawa. Do you know that one of the nicknames, legit nickname. So Sabi is always.
I wish I was me 30 seconds ago when I did not see that yet. Okay.
So Sabi, lagi ko sinasabi na this is a real nickname.
Yeah.
A basketball, Philippine ba. Anyway, pala, ang labo ko. Yung main point ko pala was you want people to watch this, right?
Yes,
you want people to support the Philippines, right?
Just how the UAAP is very well supported by the youth, you mean? Because they keep things fresh because it's run by college basketball teams.
That is true. Look how awesome volleyball is now.
Yeah.
Kasi puro mga ano yan. You know why? Women are fucking running it.
I don't wanna be, I'm just, we were talking about this in Sagiho the other night.
Young kids.
I just never got volleyball.
No.
Personally, pero I get it. Pero nakikita ko yung grabbing support na binibigay ng mga Filipinos.
Talagang panis na ng volleyball.
yeah,
Basketball in terms of like creating a culture, creating a fandom, supporting its celebrities, creating celebrities.
Yes.
So anyway, do you know that one of the PBA, the new nickname for a PBA star is, this legit, you can fact check this, is Korean Kobe.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
And he's Filipino. Korean Mamba.
No way.
Can you guys
And na-distract yung mga playbackers natin nagre-report.
Marami nagda-download pa nung dick pic.
Bookmark. Okay. Korean Mamba? Tapos Pinoy siya? What?
Yeah. Can you fact check me? Basta, it's like Korean Kobe. Yun yung legit, that's his nickname.
Okay.
And do you know that there was
what's his actual name?
Dwight Ramos. Yeah. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
Okay, so there's the Korean Kobe. Do you know that there's a PBA player that they called KG Canaleta?
Kevin Garnett?
Because he looks like Kevin Garnett.
Okay.
See Gabe Norwood, who his kid goes to Putty Rock.
Oh, really?
Yeah, cute.
Gabe Norwood. Oh.
His nickname is the President because he looks like Obama.
He doesn't look like Obama.
Well, that's what the dinosaurs did. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's called the
sorry, they call him Saint Dwight. Sino si Korean Kobe?
Sabi ni Princess, sinerch ko Korean Kobe, lumabas Calbee. Kobe beef.
Wait,
Saint Dwight.
please correct me.
Sobrang kinokorek ka nga nila, mali ka. Invento mo ba?
What's the new, si Ali, alam mo, let's do a live call. Let's do a live call.
Sino si Saint Dwight? Tapos paano mo nakuha yung Korean Colby? I think, Jem, alam ko na yung sinasabi ko. Sinasabi mo. May iba. Hindi siguro si Dwight.
Sino?
Hindi ko malala.
Labo. Ito na.
Live call. Ali or Manny?
Ali.
Jim?
Ali, good morning. Nandito ka sa live show.
Hello, good morning, guys.
Bilis.
Ali, question lang, quick lang. Ano yung bagong nickname dun sa isang Gilas player? Yung Korean, Korean Kobe? Ano yun?
Isang Gilas player natin?
Oo.
Na, hindi ba hindi naman si Pinoy Sakuragi. Hindi si Ingrid Salo.
Pinoy Sakuragi.
No. May bago eh.
May bago. Yung dapat Ateneo player. Pangalan niya? Si Dwight Ramos.
Ayun nga. Anong nickname niya?
The Korean Kimchi.
Korean Kimchi?
Kinuha pang Korean eh.
Korean na Kimchi. Hindi ko maalala may specific ba?
May baka hindi Korean baka can you give me some of the nicknames ng mga Gilas players?
Sige. Ngayon na?
Oo.
Gilas players, si Awesome Newsome.
Awesome Newsome?
Okay. Ano pa?
si The Kraken.
The Kraken.
Junmar Fajardo.
Not bad.
Abay din ang name sa kanya. Cebuano siya. Si the Asian Jordan.
The Asian Jordan.
Sino yun?
Si Justin Brownlee, yung naturalized player natin.
Asian Jordan.
Parang makalat na siya daw ang Jordan natin.
Okay, ano pa?
Philippine Jordan PH, parang yun.
Ano pa?
Sino pa ba? Sino pa players natin? Si Japet. Dati naman to, pero hindi ko alam kung tinatawag pa sa kanya yung The Fly Swatter.
What? Okay. Sige.
Thanks, Ali.
Thanks, Ali. Thank you.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love it. Phone a friend.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, we can move on. Now, story time.
Si Mark Baroka, Coffee Prince, kasi
Yan.
naglaro siya sa Sunbeam Coffee.
Pero
Di ba
alam mo yung joke doon?
ano?
Yung joke doon, Coffee Prince, kasi nga, yung complexion niya.
What?
Ganon yung mga...
But Coffee Prince is a Korean show, right?
Is it?
Yeah. It's a K-drama.
Ewan ko.
Okay.
Anyway, itong mga dinosaur na to, please.
Pinoy Rukawa. Si Dwight. Ano yung Rukawa?
I don't know.
Okay.
So, this is something that I did not expect, and I think it would be the episode title. Getting dirty
at the hardware store.
Getting dirty at
Hindi ba Korean kimchi yung title ng episode? Joke lang. Okay.
Getting dirty at a Korea
in a hardware store.
In a hardware store. So this is something I did not expect as I was trying to shop for Crocs yesterday.
Because you guys answered the poll.
So I may hinahanap akong power supply. Okay? Ang tagal ng Lazada. By the way, na-scam ako ng mga running gel, ha?
Why?
First time ever sa Lazada may running gel na parang 1 month na. Yeah. Anyway, I was on Lazada.
I'm sure ni-refund ka nun.
Hindi.
Talaga?
Papakita ko sa'yo.
Okay.
So in order ko yung power supply, ang tagal dumating, and I really wanted to do the thing na. So I went to the hardware store, a very famous hardware store. And I said, meron kayong 12 volt, 2 ampere na power supply? Sila, meron lang kaming universal. Sabi ko, ang mahal ah. Sabi ko, 1,000. Tapos sabi niya, sir, hindi to tumatagal. Kasi, ano to pang mabilisan lang. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi niya, sir, gusto niyo samahan kita sa ibang tindahan.
Okay.
Pero, medyo may pressure rin yun. Sabi ko,
So you went to a different store?
So he was offering.
Okay.
So I was like,
going out of his way much?
I know. Sabi ko, sige, kung okay lang. Sabi niya, pero sir, actually, kung gusto mo, meron rin kami dito. Sabi ko, I was so confused because like,
Sabi mo wala.
You want to bring me somewhere else? And then now you're saying meron.
Okay.
So he brings me to the back to see another dude.
Okay. Sounds
na parang,
shady.
Parang hinatid niya ako dun sa dude. Si dude says,
sir, ang gusto mo?
12 volts, 2 amperes. Kung gusto niyo sir yung pang matagalan, ito po. And then gets another box with
a different gadget.
And then gets the power supply and says, ito sir, maganda talaga yung quality nito.
So yung kasama siya dun package.
Sa like, I need it for a sound thing or a speaker. He got the power supply from
a light
lamp.
thing.
Yes, sir. Ito sir, 600 lang. Sabi ko, so I didn't want to ruin it. I didn't want to ruin it kasi I need that thing. I don't care how it's done. I need it.
You're part of the problem. Joke.
So sabi ko, okay. So sabi ko, boss, nag-order ako sa Lazada. Ito, 100 lang to eh.
Grabe ka talaga. Grabe talaga yan si Jim mag-haggle. As in, I could never.
Sabi ko, boss, 100 lang to. Sabi niya, alam mo, sir, yung mga ganyan sa Shopee, naka-Lazada na nga ako. Pero, yung mga ganyan sa Shopee, minsan, hindi totoo yung nakasulat dyan.
Hindi naman Shopee to eh.
So I was like,
okay.
Sabi ko, boss, baka pwedeng 200 na lang. Kasi 100 siya sa Lazada, baka pwedeng 200.
Yeah.
Siya, nako, di kaya. Sabi ko, kasi boss, wala rin namang bibili niyan eh. Sabi niya, baka 500 sir kaya. Sabi ko, chief, kukunin ko na yan ngayon. Isa na natin. 250. Ending was, we settled at 350.
Oh.
Ang tagal. Tapos, finally,
From
sabi-
600 to 350.
Yeah, sabi niya finally parang, sige, 350. So, sabi ko, sige.
So, ano kayo nakatago kayo sa isang aisle?
Nandun
Ganun?
kami sa tagong aisle. Sabi ko,
So, naglabas siya ng dick pic?
sali ka sa playback ko. Sir.
Sir, pangalan ko po Eric Martin. Sorry, yun yung nagsasend ng dick pic.
Oy, Eric Martin, tang ina mo. Sorry. Trump supporter ka, no? Anyway. And then, this guy, sa ko, okay, Chief, paano yung
bayad?
Natatakot na ako kasi like, I didn't want to be the one to say na, under the table to, no?
Can you explain? For those who are very...
Okay,
they
ending
don't
was...
know what that means.
Ending was, nakakatawa pa, may cash ako, wala akong barya, saktong 500. So, syempre siya, like,
hindi ka nag-Gcash.
Akin na lang yan. So, Psycho Chief, pwede man Gcash na? Yeah, pwede yan. So, nag-Gcash kami. So, to explain, from what I concur, this dude, or what they do, kasi parang he mentioned na meron, boss, kasi nung sabi, nung pinipilit niya na 600, meron daw silang, sir, hindi yan pasok sa
quota?
Limit nila or something. Baka, I think what happens is, they're like Akari or whatever, the light brands, give them an allowance na some products don't come with power supply, mistakenly.
Okay.
So, or these accessories, baka may accessory budget sila na sira yung accessory or wala yung ganitong
so
part.
they will reorder, ganon?
Either they, probably, or maybe...
Sounds like bullshit.
No, it's not bullshit. That's the process.
Okay.
Na they're given that allowance. So what they do is...
Parang pork barrel yan.
Parang ganon. What they do is they keep, therefore they'll keep the money I paid for them in exchange for the power supply. And they
will pretend
they enjoy their money and then they can report na sira yung power supply nitong lang.
Or it didn't come with any power
With
supply.
power supply.
That is dirty.
Do I mali ba na it's dirty.
But we're able to do the podcast because that is corruption. Did you partake in corruption, Jim?
I did not
I mean,
know.
this is a public confession?
I did not know until...
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
with the haggling? So...
Kala ko may sari-sari store sila dun.
So, shall we... Ano dapat mo gawin? How can you redeem yourself? Will you report it to their boss? Or di na?
Mayaman na sila.
Maybe he wasn't being paid, right?
That's the exact thinking, though.
Yun nga eh.
Yeah.
It's all...
Anyway, we'd like to end by, again, asking...
Notes app apology daw, Jim. Mag-post ka ng notes app apology.
Oh, sige, I will. Good. Is that lie? Is that our lie?
No, I
That's
don't
not
think
our
so.
lie. Okay. It
It
our
is
lie!
highlight!
Anyway, we'd like to ask for you guys to please help support the pod. Tell your friends, tell other pod kids to just go to dickpic.
No, playback.tv/Jim and Sab.
Yeah. Playback.tv/Jim and Sab and just join the group. That in itself will allow us to not be corrupt.
Bye!
Bye! Ay, okay na ba?
Ay, hindi pa. Ano?
Well,
okay, well, we can
read some stuff.
Read
some stuff na lang.
Here. Oh, ayaw mo? Mag-quick ka na
tomorrow
tayo?
na lang
Okay. Oh, ano?
Sige. Oh, yun na lang. Yung Blackpink, apparently,
Blackpink, okay.
Fake by. Apparently, si Jenny of the Block.
Jenny of the Blackpink. I'm still Jenny from the Blackpink.
Nahuli na nag-vape.
Nag-apologize yung agency niya? Nahuli nagve-vape. Sorry, illegal ba yun? Sa kanila? Indoor. So, illegal yun.
In Korea. In Italy.
Wow,
she's very pretty.
She's pretty. Jennie's agency issues apology for indoor vaping incident. Blackpink's Jennie's agency has addressed the recent controversy regarding her vaping indoors. So may indoor vaping video. Sounds weird. Okay. The footage, part of a vlog uploaded to Jennie's YouTube channel on July 2. So she provided the evidence, just like Jim provided his confession. She showed her vaping indoors while getting her makeup done and blowing smoke towards the staff. Ano ba naman, sino naman tong editor na to na in-upload? So, dinelete yung scene and then apparently, our producer on this podcast, hinalap niya yung footage, sobrang scrubbed from the internet. Di na mahanap.
Galing.
Ganun kagaling yung ano. Anyway, yung agency ni Jennie named OA, meaning sobrang apt. Charot. Hello, this is OA Entertainment.
Hello, OA kami.
Hello, this is OA, the OA. We sincerely apologize to everyone who felt uncomfortable with Jennie's actions and the content released on July 2. Jennie acknowledges and deeply regrets her mistake of vaping indoors and causing inconvenience to the staff. Oh, so she actually blew it on the faces of the staff?
Hindi.
Jennie has personally apologized to all the staff on site.
She did not.
Ano ito? Di ba ako kilala? Ako si Jennie. Taga-Blackpink ako. We apologize to her fans who have been disappointed through this incident. So, it was just parang medyo hassle lang na nagbe-vape siya. Tapos, ganon. Tapos,
kala ko, I thought the issue was that she...
ito, may video pala. May nahanap pa sa
Reddit. At
mini-makeupan
naman siya.
Mini-makeupan nga siya. Ayun lang yun.
Oh my God. You're sharing.
Should we share it?
Who cares?
Wait, let me... Okay.
She
baka matanggal yung podcast natin dahil sinushow natin tong video.
She blew it on the face of her makeup. She didn't blow it on the face.
Hindi, she didn't.
She didn't. She ginagawan siya ng makeup eh. Anong gusto ng Italian?
Hindi, wag siya mag-vape. Habang mini-makeupan siya. Oh my gosh, joke lang. Magalit sa akin yung mga fans. No, but it's true. I mean, is it an addiction? I think it might be some sort of, chain vaping. I don't think she blew it into the face, but I see how it's an oral fixation thing that you can't stop it. So even if it's just an hour of makeup, hindi mo matigilan mag-vape. I'm not gonna blame her. I mean, I chain vaped when I was younger. That's a confession, Joe.
Notes up. Okay, bye.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Frowned upon sa Korea pag nag-smoke yung actors or idols kasi not setting a good example for the youth. Grabe, kawawa, alam mo yung mga idols? Parang it comes with the fame, no? Talagang hindi ka pwede magkaroon ng Up to now, Justin Bieber's fans are like attacking him for Selena stuff. And it's like stuff that, I don't know. Bye. Okay na ba yun? Okay.
Bye.
I mean, we're going to end on that note. Let's talk more about this tomorrow. On the pod, 10 a.m. weekdays, playback.tv/Jim and Sab. Bye.
Bye.